Welcome, gang, to another edition of the Mighty Sutphen. We've been busy for the last couple weeks. New Sequential Lights LED flashers. Getting ready to wire in our driving lights in our LED setup. We're also going to put intersection lights. Now, one of the nice things about Sutphen engineering is the wiring harness already had a wire for cornering lights, which are intersection lights. So we've been digging. We got the end there. We'll install another one of these Whelen 200s in here. But we've been digging through the harness. We found the wires coming in, and I just found them up inside the dash. So we're going to get that hooked up, those lights in, and we'll show you the final product. All right, gang, got our intersection light mounted and our headlights back in. The driving light, which is the center of the headlight, is hooked to the running lights. Driving light, regular light, bright lights. So we'll get this thing buttoned up.